Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan, mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Earth signs natin dyan? Anong meron sa mga Earth signs natin, no? So, yeah. So, before we start, today, no, tignan natin anong message or advice ng iyong inner self, love situation ng inyong person on your mind. And of course, di mawawala message or advice ni universe ng ating source, ng ating God, right? No, for you mga goddesses ko, right? No, so yeah, let's start, no, mga overall na to, no, earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So let's see anong message or advice sa'yo ng iyong inner self, no, mga goddesses ko, earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, yeah, tingnan natin ano bang nasasabi or ano bang gustong sabihin sa'yo ng iyong inner self, no, mga earth signs natin, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, kuha tayo ng one card for you here, earth signs. So, let's see. So, you have this, no, good witch, no, mga kung makikita mo dito, magic, no. So for me, ang nakikita ko dito, no, ang sinasabi ng iyong inner self, mga goddesses ko, earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, no. For some of you, no, mga earth signs natin dyan ay nagsisimula na kayong magbago ng inyong sarili, right? No? So, kumbaga, sinasabi ng iyong inner self dito ay unti-unti mo na ring nare-reach yung goal mo na mabago yung iyong self, right? No, siguro ay before medyo immature person kayo, happy-go-lucky, something like that, right? No, mga earth signs, no? And right now, parang like a magic, no? You are maybe slowly but then surely, no, na binabago nyo yung inyong sarili, no, for the better, of course, no, nagiging mas mature na kayo to handle your life, any situation, no, for some of you. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, with the good witch, no, unti-unti, no, you are going to the good side, no, for some of you na naliligaw ng landas or naligaw ng landas, no. So, unti-unti, no, ay ginagawa niyo yung maging mapabuti kayo, mapunta kayo sa mabuting path, no? Ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? Kumbaga, kung makikita nyo rito, nakalagay, create your own, no? So, kumbaga, yan nga, no, binabago nyo yung sarili ninyo right now, no? Ayaw nyo na, inaalis nyo na yung mga bad habits, no? Something like that, addictions, no? Because you want to be a better person now, no? Mga earth signs natin, right? So, ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no, mostly, no, for some of you, earth signs, no, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, right, no, you are changing, no, your life, no, for the better, no. So, that's really nice, no, for me, no, mga earth signs natin, right, no. So, let's see what else, no, for you, earth signs. So wait lang, adjust lang natin ang ating cam, right? No, so para makita ninyo, no. I hope na nakikita ninyo, hindi naman madilim masyado, right? No, but this is morning naman, no, today, August 14, right? No, so yeah, tingnan naman natin love situation, no. Let's see, possible na no, kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you for your love situation. Let's see, mga earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, please. 2 cards for earth signs, please. Wala tayong masyadong readings today, na sobrang busy, and yeah, medyo nagre-recover tayo for the stressful days, no, mga goddesses ko. So yeah, no, you have this Gemini, no, for some of you earth signs, no, maybe you are dealing with a Gemini, no, and of course, no, makikita mo rin dito, kung sa tarot kasi ito yung the lovers, right, no. So for me, no, merong deep soul connection for some of you, no, mga earth signs, meron dito na sabihin nating pwedeng soulmate, twin flame, no, something like that you are dealing with, no. So So, yan, no? Ayun din yung nakikita ko rito, no? So, what else? So, you have this Aquarius, no? So, for some of you then, you are dealing with Aquarius, no? So, maybe for some of you, earth signs, you are dealing with an earth sign. Air signs, right? Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, no? For some of you. And yeah, maybe for some of you naman, earth sign, meron din kayong placement ng Aquarius or Gemini, no, sa inyong charts, right? No, so much better na i-check nyo din ang inyong mga placement charts, no, ang inyong mga other kumbaga ano pa yung ibang nakaka-relate ka. That's why, no, kapag minsan maiisip niya bakit sa ibang zodiac signs is nakaka-relate din kayo, right? Because meron kayo sa chart ninyo ng ibang 'di ba? Kaya i-check niyo yung inyong mga natal chart, no, mga goddesses ko, no. Much better 'yun lalo na kapag yung mga malalaman nyo kasi mas maiintindihan nyo, no? Hindi lang puro dun tayo magfo-focus sa mismong birth chart natin, no? May mga other charts din tayo sa ating natal chart, right? No, mga goddesses ko, right? No, if you are familiar with the astrology, no? So, as of me, no, for me, kasi hindi pa talaga ako yung talagang, hindi ko pa kasi talaga as in masolid yung aking focus, no, to study the astrology, no. But then, I am interested sa astrology, no. That's why, nagkakaroon ako ng konting knowledge, no, regarding with the astrology, no. That's why sometimes, no, na-share ko din sa inyo, no. So, kaya kayo din, no, mas maganda, no, magkakaroon din kayo ng knowledge, no. Hindi lang tayo magfo-focus sa zodiac sign natin. And of course, sa astrology din na para malaman natin yung mga planets, ano yung magiging dulot nito kapag nandoon tayo sa retrograde, no, something like that, no. But then me ay as in hindi pa talaga ako ganun ka kaalam doon sa astrology, no. But I am interested, no, with that, no. So yan, no, kinuwento ko lang sa inyo mga goddess ko. So yan, no, again, no, maybe you are dealing with an Gemini, Aquarius, no, and of course, no, maybe for some of you, you are dealing with your soulmate, twin flame. You have a deep connection, no, with your person, no. So nararamdaman nyo naman yan if you have this deep connection, no, soul tie connection with your person, right? No, so let's see what else, no. Tignan natin, no, kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Let's see anong pang meron sa inyo ng person on your mind. Let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards here for earth signs, please, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, 1, 2, and 3, no? So, let's see, ano yan? So, I abused you mentally, spiritually, no, physically, no. So, meron ditong abuser, no, for some of you, earth signs, no. And again, no, vice versa tayo dito, no. Pwedeng kayo tong merong ganitong mentality or I mean characteristic, no, abuser behavior, no, something like that. Maybe for some of you, you are dealing with a narcissistic type of person, right? No, with this, no, so sobrang abusive and toxic, no, so for some of you. And what else? So I like hooking up with multiple partners, no, talagang yeah, di ba, siguro ito yung mga nalaman mo rin, no, with this person you are dealing with, no, mga earth signs, or it is you, no, mga earth signs natin, right, no. And again, take what's resonate for you, no, mga earth signs. So, meron dito ay a player, no, something like that, no. So, what else? Sabi na, di ba, narcissistic, no. So, meron talaga rito, no, narcissistic, backstabber, manipulator, no. So, meron talaga for some of you talaga, you are dealing or you are dealt with the narcissistic type of person. Yeah, no? So, what I see here, no, mga earth signs natin, right? No? So, medyo sobrang napakahirap ng connection na ito, right? No? Sobrang abusive once you are dealing with a narcissistic, no? So, lagi ko rin yan sinasabi sa inyo. Kaya, dapat ay may knowledge kayo about a narcissistic type of person para alam nyo how to handle the connection or the relationship you have or you have, no? Ang mga earth signs natin, goddesses ko, right? No? But then with the narcissistic, really it is a toxic relationship, no? Hindi ka mananalo. I mean, wala namang rito, no? But then kasi for me, ang narcissistic type of person, no, lalo na sa isang relationship, one-sided 'yan, no? At talagang very abusive itong tao na ito, right? No, so I hope na kung sino man sa inyo ang nakakaranas ng ganito, I hope na wala na kayo sa ganitong relationship. If not, no, if you are still with this person, or if you are this person, no, I hope na maisip mo sa sarili mo, right? Na hindi tama yung ginagawa mo sa iyong partner. Or if you are this na dealing with a narcissistic type of person, no, mga earth signs natin, please, please, please save yourself before it's too late, right? No, ayoko rin may because I have been in ang hirap mag-explain, no, but then I know how it feels dealing with a narcissistic type of person, right? Because I am experiencing it, no, mga earth signs natin, right? No, so I hope na if you are this, no, earth signs, you are in this kind of relationship, I hope na makaalis ka na, no. Save yourself, get out of this relationship, no. Para naman magkaroon ka ng magandang kinabukasan. Yeah, kasi if you are dealing with this kind of person, promise me, or I mean, believe in me, no, you will have no future with this person. Lalo na kapag may mga anak kayo. Sorry, but then, it's true, no? Unless na mapapabago mo ang person na yun, right? Yeah, there is, no, really chance for everybody to change, right? No? Maybe kaya nga for some of you, no, ang nakuha nating first deck ninyo ay you are changing yourself. Maybe for some of you, no, no offense meant here, no, I'm just reading the cards, right? No, mga earth signs, you have some behaviors na you want to release na, no, mga earth signs. That's why you are into this transition, into this transformation of changing yourself, no? Ang mga earth signs natin. Maybe for some of you, kayo ito na merong mga ganitong behavior, no? Narcissistic type of behavior, no, mga earth signs, no. Hindi naman masama na iaminin natin sa sarili natin, no. Lalo na kasi alam nyo, ang mga narcissistic type of person, hindi talaga yan umaamin ng kanilang mga kasalanan, ng kanilang pagkakamali, ng kanilang totoong pagkatao, right? They are facade, they are wearing a mask, no? Unless na ikaw na-discover mo na. So, kapag ikaw na-discover mo na ang isang tao, or I mean ang kanilang totoong pagkatao, no, hindi na nila matatago sa iyo yun eh. So, but then hindi kanila pakakawalan because threat sa kanila yon, no. Feeling defeated sila kapag nagkahiwalay kayo kasi may alam ka na sa person na yon, no, o alam mo na yung mga sikreto niya, right? No, that's why ayaw niya yon, natitrigger siya, no, na para ay baka sabihin mo sa iba, no, something like that, no. But then I'm still hoping for them to change, no. I hope na someday na ma-realize din nila yung mga pagkakamali nila, no. Wala namang due date for changes, I mean, no. So everyone, no, can change, no, mga goddesses ko, no. Even those type of person na akala natin ay wala ng pagbabago, no. But then God only knows, no, if that person is willing to change, of course, right? No, so kailangan tayo, mga goddesses ko, mga earth signs natin, maging observant tayo, no, sa mga taong dinidil natin, no, sa mga taong in relationship tayo, right, no, or sa mga taong gustong makipagrelasyon sa atin, right, no. So kasi ang abuser na mga tao, no, sa umpisa kasi mababait yan, hindi mo makikita ng anything negative yan, anything red flag, no, hindi mo sila makikitaan ng, because ayun ang goal nila yung makuha ka, right. But then eventually, kapag ka nakikilala mo na sila, lagi na kayo magkasama, makikita mo na unti-unti yung mga red flags, right? No? And then, for some of you, of course, hindi ka na makakatiis, no? Kapag nakita mo yung mga ganong signs, yung mga red flags na yan, no? Magkakaroon ng conflict talaga dyan, no? Doon lalabas ang totoong pagkatao, lalo na mga those who are wearing a mask, right? No, mga earth signs natin. So ayun lang naman. So I hope na for some of you, maybe hindi nyo nagpapansin ang inyong partner ay with, has this type of behavior na pala. That's why, no, akala nyo normal lang sa kanya yung mga ibang mga abusing behaviors niya, right? No? So, kailangan nyo rin, no, gain knowledge, no, about this type of person, no, and this type of behaviors, right? Para malaman nyo rin or maintindihan nyo yung paano nyo i-handle. And of course, pinaka-importante is paano nyo proprotektahan ang inyong sarili with that person. Lalo na sa mga hindi makaalis kasi nga, siyempre mahal niyo yung tao, you want that person to change, no? So, makakatulong tayo, no? Makakatulong kayo for that person to change. If you are this na talagang you are being patient, no? Tinatanggap mo, walang masama, of course, no? Kung talagang mahal mo yung tao, nagmamahal lang naman tayo, right? No? But then, kung talagang sobra-sobra na, then leave, no? Kasi that person is not willing to change, no? Mapapagod at mapapagod ka lang, right? But then if you are choosing to stay, syempre kailangan i-balance mo, right? I-balance mo yung sitwasyon, no? Wag lagi kang magpapa-abuse, right? Kailangan stand up, no, for your right, no? Mga earth signs, no? Kailangan marunong kayong depensahan ng inyong sarili, no, when it comes to that person na may ganyang behavior, right? Mga earth signs. So, ganun lang naman yun eh. Dalawa lang yan. Aalis kayo sa relasyon or magstay. If you are willing to stay, then balance yourself, no? And learn how to defend yourself, no, mga earth signs natin, no? Kasi hindi naman masama ang magmahal, no? But then, kung abusive na yung iyong partner and hindi mo siyang maalisan because of some reasons, no? Ang kailangan mo na lang siguro is kumbaga ay depensahan mo yung sarili mo. Huwag mong hayaang laging ma-abuse ka, no? Fight for yourself din, no? But then, kung hanggat maaaring iwasan, no? Something like that, para walang gulo, no? Something like that, no, mga earth signs. But then, if you can, no, get out of that situation, no? Wag mong hayaan din naman na i-abuse ka, na talagang parang wala nang matitira sa'yo, no? Ubus ka na physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, no? So, kasi ang kalaban natin dito, ang kalaban dyan is ang mental health, no? 'Di ba? Mostly ayun ang nagiging problem, no? Kapag you are dealing with a player, with an abuser type of person, narcissistic, of course, no? Kasi sila may mga behavior problems yan. But then, ipapasa nila yung kanilang mga behavior problems sa inyo yan, no? Nila ibabato, no? Para kayo yung makaramdam ng guilt, kayo yung makaramdam ng whatever na sila naman talaga yung totoong nakakaramdam. No? Magaling kasi sila mag-gaslight, right? No? Mga narcissistic type of person. Hindi yan mga bobo, no? Sorry for the word. No? But then, of course, no, akala natin, sobrang maraming strategy ginagawa yan. Kaya kailangan kayo, maging observant kayo sa mga tao, no? This is just right, no? Para ay maprotektahan nyo ang inyong mga sarili, right? No, mga earth signs natin. Yeah? So, yeah. So, let's see, no, what else. Kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards for you, mga earth signs natin, right? Kuha pa tayo. 3 cards for earth signs, please. 3 cards for earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards for you. Additional messages for earth signs para sa kanilang love situation, no? Tignan natin yan. So, you have this, no, memories, nostalgia, no? So, yeah, meron for some of you talaga, no, maybe in separation na with this person, right? No, naaalala nyo na lang yung mga memories nyo together, right? No, at nagkakaroon kayo, no, with the nostalgia, no, parang sudden, kumbaga parang napapa, hindi mo ma-imagine na naranasan mo yung something like that na relationship, no, for some of you na nanggaling sa isang abusive relationship, right? No, so what else? So you have this, no, nurture, no, compassion, no. Talagang kasi alam nyo yan, no, ang mga earth signs natin, no. Ang masasabi ko kasi rito, once you are dealing with a narcissistic, no, very compassionate kasi, no, ang kanilang nagiging partner, no, sa mga abuser person, no. Kasi nga, dun sila talaga, no, parang mas na-attract kasi ng mga taong compassionate, no, ang mga abusive persons, right? Kasi ay masyadong nagke-care, no? Kumbaga ay masyado nilang lahat ay kahit na red flag na yan, no? There are just, no, parang even though red flag, tina-turn into green flag pa rin, no, ng mga tao na like you, no, mga earth sign na you are dealing with an abusive, right? No, mararamdaman mo naman yan sa sarili mo, no, na yan, magagalit ka, masasaktan ka, no, but then mas iisipin mo pa rin, no, baka mali ka, no, kasi nga nagagaslight ka, right? No, or yun nga kasi you are very compassionate person, right? No, you are still considering the opposite feelings, no, ng tao, no, ng iyong partner, right? No, that's why naa-abuse ka, no, mostly, no, mga earth sign because of your being compassionate, no, compassionate person, right? Nurture. So talagang maalaga rin kayo, no, right? Na kaya ang mga abusive person, hindi rin kayo mapakawalan kasi kayo lang yung talagang para sa kanila nakakaintindi. But then alam nila sa sarili nila yun, no? But then, they are still, no, doing stuff, doing some kind of, betraying, cheating, no? Something like that, na alam nilang because nga, sarili lang naman talaga nilang importante sa kanila. That's why, gusto nila, ayaw nilang mawala ka because sa kanila, for you, ay, sa inyo lang sila nakakaramdam ng totoong pagkikare, totoong pagmamahal, no? So, kailangan nila yun kasi for them, feeling nila, deserve nila yun, no? Deserve nilang mahalin sila, no? Deserve nilang, kala mo, yung halos parang isasamba mo na sila, no? So, meaning, sarili lang nila yung talagang importante sa kanila, right? Hindi yung nararamdaman mo, but then, yung nararamdaman nila na dapat sila yung parang dapat minamahal, sinasamba, inaalagaan, no? Something like that, no? Ang mga earth signs. So what else? Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, no? They are just a facade, no? I'm wearing a mask, right? No? Fake people, right? No? Para lang ay makuha yung loob mo, no? Something like that. But then, yun pala may ginagawa, no? Something like that, no? Behind your back, no? Back, right? No? So ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no? Mga earth signs natin, right? No, so yeah, tingnan pa natin. Kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards here, no? For additional messages for your love situation, no? Mga earth signs natin. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, kuha pa tayo ng 2 cards here for you. Ano pang mga messages for you, mga earth signs natin? So, let's see. So you have this, no, spotlight, recognition, luckiest, going success. No, so for some of you naman na in separation na and you are just focusing on yourself, and for some of you na you want to change, no, you want changes in your life, no, makukuha niyo rin yung success in life na gusto niyo, no. Basta you are willing to change, na maalis na yung mga bad habits, addiction, no, whatever it is. And for some of you na nakaalis na sa mga abusive relationship, no, at nagfo-focus na kayo sa inyong sarili, right? You are in a healing process for some of you. I-continue nyo lang yan and focus on yourself, of course, no? Magkakaroon kayo ng success in life, right? No? Kumbaga, ano man yung mga paghihirap na pinagdaanan nyo in the past, no? Or ito namang mga willing mag-change for some of you earth signs, gusto ng changes in life, no? Basta you are willing and God sees how you are working with that, no? Ibibigay sa inyo yung goal or success na gusto ninyo sa buhay ninyo, right? No? And for some of you, maybe in the near future, 'di ba? Makikilala kayo, no? Maybe ayun yung for some of you, ayun ang gusto niyo mangyari, makilala kayo, kung ano man nasa larangan man, ano man itong mga gusto niyo mangyari sa buhay ninyo at gusto niyo makikilala, no? Mangyayari at mangyayari yan, right? Makikilala kayo ng mga tao because of what you have been through, and for some of you na malaki yung binago sa sarili, right? No, mare-recognize kayo ng people, right? Ng people, right? 'Di ba? Mga earth signs. And what else? So, yeah, no, meron talaga, no, separation. Then, for some of you na you are still, no, but then you are thinking in separating na, no, separation, letting go, choosing self, right, no? For some of you na nandito pa sa ganitong relationship and na alam mo na rin na parang wala na rin pagbabago mangyayari, choose yourself, right, no? It's time for you to move on and choose yourself, no? Sabi ko nga before, it's too late, right? Kasi mental health mo yung problema rito, right? No? Lalo na nakakaawa, 'di ba? Kapag hindi kinakaya yung mga abusive partner, right? No, nawawalan ng katinuan sa sarili, yung iba nagpapakamatay. So sana wag nang mangyari yun, right? No? Kasi number one yan, sila din yung number one bully, no? Sa partner nila, no, yung mga ganyang tao, no, binababa nila yung self-esteem ng kanilang partner para mag-i-stick or hindi aalis yung kanilang partner, na parang sasabihin nila yan na wala na magtsatsaga sa'yo, ganyan-ganyan, but then ang totoo, marami, no, kumbaga, dinadown ka lang nila, no, so ang naaapektuhan dyan is your mental health, right, no, so if you still can live, no, then live, no. Wag mong sayangin yung pagkatao mo, yung buhay mo sa ganitong relationship, no. But then if you are you want that person to change, you want to help that person to change, it's okay, no. Basta alam mong i-handle, i-balance mo yung sarili mo, no. Mga earth signs natin, if you can't leave the situation or the relationship, right, no, because of some certain reasons, maybe family, kids, no, kailangan lang dito maging matatag ka talaga, no, because this is a challenge for you, right, no, kung if you want to help that person to change, it's okay, no, it's your choice, no, but then if you can choose yourself, no, even though you cannot leave the relationship, you can still choose yourself by what? By defending yourself, by protecting yourself, right? To that person na hindi ka naman lagi niyang maa-abuse, no? So, kailangan, alam mo, protektahan yung sarili mo to balance the relationship, right? Para hindi nagkakaroon palagi ng conflict. Kaya mong i-handle, you can still stay, no, mga earth signs natin, right? No, so let's see what's the message or advice for you ni universe, no, mga earth signs natin, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, no. So let's see what's the message or advice for you ni universe earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So let's see, kuha tayo ng one card for you, earth signs. So, wisdom, no? So, you have this, no? So, ang message sa'yo ni universe, to use your wisdom, right? For some of you, earth signs, gamitin mo tong mga experiences in life mo para maka-move forward ka. And also, to help other people na nakaranas or nakakaranas ng katulad ng sayo na naranasan mo, right? No, you can help them by giving them some advices, right? How to cope up with that kind of situation, that relationship, right? No, kasi nga ikaw nalagpasan mo na, no? For some of you, no, na nakalagpas na sa ganitong relationship, right? No? You can share your wisdom. So lagi ko nga sinasabi, 'di ba? Your experiences in life is your wisdom because from that, kasi nga ang wisdom kasi ayan yung mga natutunan nating lessons, right? No? Magkakaroon ka ng wisdom from that, right? No? Alam mo na yung mga dapat, kumbaga, na may natutunan ka, no? And then kaya para sa in the near future, alam mo na rin, no, ang iyong gagawin. And then, you can give some advices, no, for some people na nakakaranas ng naranasan mo na, ng nalagpasan mo na, no. You can share your wisdom with them para matulungan mo sila, ma-motivate sila na, ay, kaya rin pala nila yan because nakaya mo nga, right? 'Di ba? So, give them some advices, right? And use your wisdom, no, para ay kumbaga mas mapabuti yung iyong buhay, right? No, with your wisdoms kasi mas marami kang natututunan, mas marami kang nagagain na wisdom, mas alam mo na yung buhay-buhay sa mundo na ito, right? Mga earth signs natin. So yeah, that's it for you, earth signs, no? So I hope na naka-resonate kayo with your reading, no, mga earth signs natin, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn, no. So maraming salamat sa laging pagsusubaybay sa ating channel, right, no, sa ating mga readings for you, no, mga earth signs natin, no. So again, no, comment down below lang sa mga interested. So i-announce ko 'yan sa lahat ng mabibigyan, no, 3 na deserving, no, na goddesses ko ang bibigyan natin ng ukay dresses for your startup business, sideline business, additional income for you, no, mga goddesses ko dyan, no, earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Comment down below lang, no. Don't be shy, right? No, so walang dapat ikahiya, no. Maging totoo tayo palagi sa sarili natin, no. Lahat tayo nangangailangan ng tulong, lahat tayo may pangangailangan, lahat tayo may needs na for us para ma-provide sa family natin, right? No? Ayoko ng for some of you, lalo na sa mga mommies diyan na nasa abusive but din hindi makaalis, no? Because no income at all, no? Maybe kailangan mo magkaroon ng income para it's a way din para protektahan mo yung sarili mo para hindi ka maliitin ng partner mo, right? Kailangan pantay lagi, walang lamang, walang nanlalamang, right? And give and take tayo dapat lagi sa isang relationship, no? Friendship man, family man, love relationship man, magkakapatid man, mother, daughter, father, son, or what, 'di ba? 'Di ba, mga anak natin, 'di ba? Kailangan may give and take, right? No? So medyo mahirap but then sana magkakaroon tayo ng ganun sa ating relationship, no? Whatever relationship, situationship we had, no, in our life, right? If we have this balance, love and peace, harmony, give and take, 'di ba? Ang ganda, ang sarap na gumising sa araw-araw na alam mong maayos, no? Ang iyong kung ano man yung kinalalagyan mo with the people around you, no? Mga earth signs natin. So, I hope na naintindihan nyo ang aking sinabi for you, mga earth signs natin. So, again, thank you and yeah, palagi lang kayong magdadasal, no? Na i-guide kayo ni God, no? Sa inyong mga everyday struggles, everyday challenges in life, alam kong malalagpasan at malalagpasan nyo yan. Magpakatatag lang tayo, kayang-kaya natin yan, mga earth signs, goddesses ko, right? No? So yeah, God bless you all and thank you for watching Earth Signs.